naramdaman ko po na welcome ako, lalo na po bilang isang person with disability, a person who's totally blind. I would like to take this time also to thank Mr. Pocholo de Leon Gonzalez. Sir, Voice Master, maraming salamat po dahil inopen niyo po ang CVAP sa tulad ko pong may kapansanan. Thank you po sa buong team dahil ginawa niyo po ang best ninyo para maging accessible po para sa amin ang program na ito. And higit po sa lahat, thank you so much for treating us fairly, for letting us experience how it's like to be part of a bigger community without us feeling discriminated against, without us feeling any different than other people, especially the majority who is without disability or without physical disability. So maraming salamat po. Hindi ko po makakalimutan itong program na to, and I really look forward to growing more, to learning more, and to giving back as I